Good morning all of you. Welcome back in English video of class 6, and today in this video we are going to take worksheet number 20, and in this worksheet we are going to take the exercises of lesson number 2, how did dog found a new master, from book Honeysuckle. So we are going to do question answers and who said to whom exercise of this chapter. Now first of all I would like to read the instructions. This worksheet will be submitted. Now children, you have to submit this worksheet and the submission date is 16 June 2020, that is Tuesday, tomorrow. Do this work in neat and clean handwriting. Write date and worksheet number on the top of the page. Watch the video of worksheet on tutorial portal for the explanation. Now in this video I am going to explain you the work which you will do in this worksheet, right? So let's start the work. First is, again here you can see, you will put the worksheet number on the top, then on the left side you will write the date, right side day, and then the lesson name, how did dog found a new master, and then book name Honeysuckle, right? Then the exercises, answer these questions. Question number 1, why did the dog feel the need of a master? Now if you have read the chapter thoroughly, you would come to know and you will understand this question, that why did dog feel the need of master, right? Why he felt that he needs a master to spend a life with. So the answer is, the dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Now the dog felt that alone he was wandering all over the jungle or the forest, everywhere he was alone, and then he was also afraid of those who were stronger than him, right? So there was a fear in his inside him, that if somebody stronger, he faces somebody stronger, he will kill him and he can end his life. So he felt that in spite of roaming here and there alone in search of food, he was very tired, he didn't want to do that thing, and also he was very afraid. So he thought that if I have a master who is stronger in all over this world, so he will be safe and protected. So that's why he felt the need for a master. Now next question is, who did he first choose as his master, and why did he leave that master? Now when you have read the chapter, you know that who was the first one to whom he chose as a master. The dog first chose a big, strong and fierce wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up, since dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. Now in this question there are two questions. In the first part, question is asking who was his first master, right? The first master was wolf, who was very big, strong and fierce at the first sight, but once he knew that the wolf is afraid of the bear, right? So because he wanted to be with that animal who was the strongest on the earth, so when he felt that the wolf is afraid of the bear, so he left the bear and he chose his second master, the bear, to be his master, right? Now next question is, whom did he choose next? Now after bear, he chose the bear to be his next master. After the wolf, the second master was bear. Fourth is, why did he serve the lion for a long time? Now after bear, then bear was afraid of lion, so then he left bear also and then he chose the lion to be his master. After why did he serve the lion for a long time? Now wolf, then bear, these two masters were for the short time, but he served the lion for the longer time, right? So why did he serve the lion for a longer time? Why did he stay with the lion? for a longer time? This question is asking. He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Now, as you can see, the lion is known as king of the jungle or the forest. So every animal was afraid of lion. So that's why the dog thought that he is the strongest on the earth, because every small or big animal was afraid of lion. So he thought that he is with the correct master, the master who he was looking for, the strongest one. So that's why until unless he felt that he is not the strongest, he served that lion, right? So next question is, who did he finally choose as his master and why? Now, who was the last and the final master, and why did he choose him? So this question is asking this. Answer. He finally chose a man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man, as he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on the earth. He chose man as his master. Now again, after serving the lion for the long time, one day when he confronted the man, he felt that lion is afraid of man, right? So then he left the lion and then he chose man to be his master, because his final goal was to be with the person or a animal, whatever, who is the most powerful on earth, who is the most powerful and strongest on earth. So he was in search of that. Now when he found the man, that the lion, the king of the jungle, is afraid of man, then he left the lion and then he chose man as his master. Next question is, who said to whom? This is your next exercise. Where are you going, dog? You have to answer that who said this line to whom. Where are you going, dog? This line was said by the wolf asked to the dog. What's come over you, master? What has frightened you so? Who said this line? The dog asked his first master, wolf. Third is, let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. Who said these lines? The dog's second master, the bear, said these lines to dog. Fourth is, don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth? The dog's second master, the bear, said this to dog. Last is, I smell a man coming this way. We'd better run for it or we'll be in trouble. Who said this line? Dog's third master, lion, said this line to the dog. Now I hope here your exercises end, and I hope you have understood what the question is asking and how you have to answer the question. So children, note down this work very neat and cleanly in your notebooks, and till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.